Okay, hold on. Yeah, okay, it's fine. We're really bored, so we're gonna have burping contest.
Coke.
What's Coke? Hold on. Coke. Okay.
And drop Coke on me. Okay. That was really bad. Really, I just did a really good one before the started, just to let you know.
Those sound really demented.
That one sounded demented. Oh, that burned my nose. It smells like Coke over here.
It sounded like a little guinea pig.
My eyes are watering. Oh my god, that really burned. This is all you.
Okay.
It's okay. We're going to the liquid.
I felt like I almost fell up.
Don't swallow your gum.
Oh shit. Okay.
Really?
Yeah. I need a new piece anyway.
You guys are going that crazy. That one really burned.
That was so weird.
It's probably like.
No, I'm like. Sounded so demented though.
So do you.
I don't sound demented. I sound really weird though. Okay, well, this is probably gonna make a new one, so bye.
My pants!